Hey guys, it's just me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating in radio out of a 70 Chevelle Malibu. It comes from, well, this guy has a very distinctive first name, so I'll just say it comes from Mr. Klein in Flagstaff, Arizona. Hey, that's here. He's come from my home state. So this customer has requested the FM conversion with the Bluetooth and USB features. So let's go ahead and fire it up, make sure everything works. Excuse me. I've got it set to AM at the moment, so let's go ahead and turn it on. I got one strong AM station in my area.
You can control our alarms, locks, and garage doors.
So there's
from
our
anywhere in the
AM,
world.
and while we've got it on talk radio, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions.
I can see the kids when they
So
come
we're going
home
to need our
too, which
meters for
tells
this.
us the possibilities are
Okay,
endless.
virtual fader.
Hi, I'm Ian with Calltex. We are locally.
Fader adjust.
Okay,
Calltex
so now
928-575-0246
same controls adjusting
for estimate
our
today.
front rear speaker balance.
My family protecting you. KZROC
Okay, I'm going to
Fader set.
fader set. Okay, now let's try left-right balance.
Number one auto repair.
Balance adjust.
Okay, so now all the way left, right, left,
This will help
right.
better serve our ever-growing community.
Okay, I'm gonna
Our
center
expertly
them.
trained team at AutoWorks is all.
Balance set.
Alrighty, let's go ahead and check the, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so in 90 seconds she'll come back on saying pairing not completed. So let's go ahead and test our USB reader. I got my radio commercial on deck here.
Can easily understand.
Pull the stick, radio comes back. Alright, let's... Okay, now we're going to go to FM. We do that by turning the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area, so let's just run through them real quick.
Saturday, March 12th. 6 wild birds to backyard. Bar and a don't. It's Eye on Veterans. Sundays at 1 p.m. Tribute band in the UP. Leave that country. Backup singers.
Okay, and that's it. Let's test the dial light, make sure that lights up. And you can see the light peeking through those openings back there as I flash it on and off. So we're ready to go here, and I think this is probably going to be our last video today. This is my 6th video. And so while I'm doing videos, I'm also fixing last-minute stuff that I didn't catch on the preliminary stages. So 6 videos can take all day in my job. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to your old AM radio. We can add FM, Bluetooth, USB, HD radio, aux input, and who knows what else by the time you're ready to do business with me. So I'm going to thank this customer, Mr. Klein from Flagstaff, Arizona, and my website and phone number are in the description below. Please visit my website before calling me with a bunch of questions. That's what the website's for. You can get your information, prices, options, and turn times from there, and then you can call me just to make sure I'm a good guy, that I sound okay on the phone, and that you can trust me. That's how I kind of like it to work, and that's what actually my customers prefer too, because that's what allows me to put my top quality workmanship into your radio. So if you're spending a bunch of time, if you're tying me up on the phone for a long time, that's less time that I can spend with my quality workmanship. So please do visit the website first and then call me. After that, I'll be happy to talk to you. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Mr. Klein, for your business from this state. We'll see you guys next time.